Yes, good day to you all, and welcome back to my channel again. People have been asking these questions about certain apps running slow on their machine. Every machine has a graphic interface, and depending on the graphic you use, that makes things much more faster on your PC. But then there is a solution to making particular apps run very fast on your PC. Let me choose an app on my PC. Maybe I want to make this okay code in Embarcadero, the C++ run quite fast on my machine. So this is what you do. You just go here to the settings, to the start menu, settings, then you search for graphics. So you just open the graphics settings. So this is what you do. You can see, so I have some couple apps here and they all run fast, to be very honest. I've increased them. I'm actually using the higher performance, the Intel graphics itself, not allowing Windows to decide for itself. You get it? That's what you will be doing. Yes. Okay, so let's add an app. Yep. So then the dev C++, that's what we want to add now. Let's try to locate it. So okay, we have it here. So in some cases, some of the desktop apps you cannot see them here at the desktop location. You cannot see them there. You can see we are in the desktop section now. So with some of them you cannot see them. So with this you can just add it. Go ahead and then you search for it here. Give it a high performance. So you change it from let Windows decide to high performance. That is it, and you're good to go. So this is it. And with the ones you cannot add directly from the desktop, you have to locate them yourself. So let me just go for a default app I cannot see here. So let's say the PyCharm. Okay, yeah, we don't have the PyCharm on the desktop. So that's what you do to locate it. So let's close this. You click on the application, you right click on it, sorry, then open file location. So you can see it here. Now to copy the exact location or directory, you just click on the blank space here, then Control and C to copy it. So once you're done copying, you just go back to the add the desktop tab. Then at the same spot, you clear this by pressing backspace and then Control and V to paste it. Afterwards, enter. So yes, there's it. You can see it here. So all you gotta do is just to click on the launcher. This is it. You add it. And yeah, you can see it from your list as well. So let's search for Python. There's it over here. Then give it a high performance. I think I've already done this. That's why you see that way. So yeah, that is it. How to make certain apps on the PC run very fast. And to make the whole PC run fast, you can check my videos. I have, I think, a video on that as well. How to make your PC run really fast. All right, thank you. And then yeah, please subscribe. Have a great day.